relaxing meditation from Empowered by Meditation. Find a quiet space where you can relax completely. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow any tension to melt away. Settle into a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. This meditation will help you release negativity, restore balance, and rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your lungs expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any stress or negativity. With each breath, envision fresh, pure energy entering your body and any stale or negative energy leaving with every exhale. Notice the rhythm of your breath and allow it to guide you into a deeper state of relaxation. As you breathe, feel your body becoming more present and grounded in the moment. Now, gently shift your focus to your body. Starting from the top of your head, scan down slowly, noticing any areas of tension or heaviness. As you breathe in, imagine a bright cleansing light flowing into these areas, dissolving any discomfort. With each exhale, let go of any residual negativity, feeling your body becoming lighter and more at ease. Continue scanning down through your neck, shoulders, arms, and hands. Feel the release of any tension as the cleansing light flows effortlessly through you. Moving down to your chest and abdomen, notice any emotions stored here and allow them to be carried away with each breath. Let the healing energy travel further down through your hips, legs, and feet, grounding you in a state of pure relaxation. Picture yourself standing under a gentle waterfall of pure, healing light. As this light cascades over you, feel it washing away any lingering worries, doubts, and energies that no longer serve you. See yourself glowing with renewed vitality and clarity. Imagine the water taking away any fears or anxieties, leaving only a deep sense of peace and renewal. As the light flows over you, it infuses every cell of your being with positive energy. Visualize your entire aura becoming brighter, stronger, and more vibrant with every passing moment. You are completely immersed in this healing experience, feeling lighter and more refreshed. Silently or aloud, repeat affirmations such as, I am cleansed and renewed. My mind, body, and spirit are in perfect harmony. I release what no longer serves me with ease and grace. I am filled with light, love, and positivity. I welcome peace, joy, and abundance into my life. Repeat these affirmations with conviction, allowing their meaning to resonate deeply within you. Each repetition strengthens your inner resolve and helps to solidify a sense of empowerment and clarity. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine aligning your energy centers or chakras. Starting from the base of your spine, visualize a red light glowing brightly, representing stability and security. Move upward to your sacral chakra, envisioning a vibrant orange light, bringing creativity and passion into your life. Continue to your solar plexus, with a bright yellow light filling you with confidence and personal power. Allow the energy to rise to your heart center, glowing with a warm green light, fostering love and compassion. Next, picture a soothing blue light at your throat, encouraging honest expression. Move further up to your third eye, radiating a deep indigo light, enhancing your intuition and wisdom. Finally, visualize a brilliant violet or white light at the crown of your head, connecting you to higher consciousness and divine energy. Feel all these centers aligning harmoniously, promoting balance and well-being. Take a moment to reflect on the things in your life that you are grateful for. Express appreciation for your body, your breath, and your ability to take this time for yourself. Gratitude helps to amplify positive energy and fosters a sense of contentment and fulfillment. Embrace a feeling of deep thankfulness for the present moment and the opportunity to cleanse and renew yourself. Take a moment to bask in this feeling of clarity and lightness. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Carry this sense of renewal with you throughout your day. Remind yourself that you can return to this state of balance and peace whenever you need it. Take a final deep breath in, feeling revitalized, and step forward into your day with a renewed sense of purpose and clarity. Thank you for joining this cleansing meditation. Be well and stay mindful.